All right, we're cleaning this tank out a little bit. Drained everything out of it, all the nasty crap. I'm just going to blow it out a little bit. You see you got rust coming out of there already. And do have liner coming out of it, so we know the liner's no good because we already stuck our scope in there and saw a liner coming off. But gonna put the taps back on and the cap, and we'll slosh some lacquer thinner through there, see what comes out. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not, but I got quite a bit of crap inside of this gas tank here. So we'll blow it out some more, and then might try and vacuum it out with my old mini vacuum. Okay, I got out as much of it as I could. We're gonna throw some lacquer thinner in there now with, and then shake it up pretty good. Put about a cup in there. Running a little bit low on the lacquer thinner. I'll have to pick some up tomorrow. That'll get most of the rest of any water or rotten gas out of there. You can use lacquer thinner or acetone. I use lacquer thinner because it's slightly cheaper than acetone. Works just as well. But while we got it in there, we'll look for some leaks to see if we got any. I'm not seeing any. You want to look around the edge of the tank there here where the seams go, all around, anywhere you think you got a pinhole. And then I'll pressure test this thing here in a little bit. You're only going to put about 5 pounds of air in here when you pressure test it. If that, it doesn't take much, a little air and some hot or some soapy water, you'll be able to see any air bubbles. And I'm not seeing anything on there yet, so. We'll shake it up, drain this out, and then blow it out with some more air. I think we got it all the way around there. Let's go ahead and drain some of this out of here. See what we got. And we are recoating this tank, so we're just going to blow it out and see what happens. But it's pretty nasty looking in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll show you here in a minute. Okay. Let me go ahead and pull this fuel tap out of here since it's not really flowing anything through here at all. You need to clean those out really good too. And we'll clean it out the rest of the way. Probably try and start it up tomorrow. Didn't get any gas today and need gas, so that's about it for starting the cleanup on it. We'll blow it out again and shake it, see how many chunks we got in there. Hopefully we can blow it all out with air. And that's about it.